Today's altcoin of the day is on FETCH.AI, ticker symbol FET. It has already rallied a good 50% this month alone. And quite honestly, just looking at this chart, I think it's got more to go. Now, the dashboard actually called the trade on FET. If you get into the dashboard, you'll find it on app.mango.market. This is filtered through trading volume just right off the bat. So you can see FET is actually on the list, one of the top traded altcoins on the list right here. If you get into the drop down right here, you'll find that the bulls have taken over from the 4-hour time frame all the way down to the 2-day time frame. I should say up to the 2-day time frame. But you can see that this trade was called 24 days ago. Now, if you caught the trade on it, you're up a good 48% already on this trade, so sitting well and pretty. But right now, while it's telling us that, okay, FET has rallied almost a good 50%, there might be a good bid opportunity on the horizon just based on the volatility profile, 64, 76, hovering at those red numbers. Often when I see red on the volatility profile, that's when I know that, okay, this is a good time for me to be expecting a pullback opportunity. So if I want to capture a good trade on this, now's the time. Now, if you get into the chart right here, there are two major bullish pattern plays that have already triggered. Yes, already active. One is a falling channel, okay, and the second one is a bullish cup and handle formation, both of which, like I said, have triggered. The measured move to the falling channel, if I take the measured move, plot it on the break, will take FETCH all the way up to $2.38. Let's go ahead and mark that out. And as far as the cup and handle like formation is concerned, let's go ahead and take the measured move of the cup and handle formation. All right, plot that on the break. It broke right here. This would take FET all the way up to $3.18. So now we already have two official targets on this chart. The probability of price having an impulsive move up to these targets increases dramatically as soon as we actually start taking out this region right here at around $1.86. Because notice, this was the breakdown point. So the bulls actually reclaiming $1.86 gives them an upper hand on the entire range. But now question is, while we do have a bullish setup right now on FETCH, and this looks absolutely amazing with all of these bullish patterns actually getting triggered, would you be buying FETCH right here? Is this a good trade setup? In my opinion, I think there is a better bid on the horizon. Because number one, the volatility hovering at 64 and 76 on the daily and the 2-day respectively is telling me that, okay, you know what, the bulls have the edge, but they might be getting a tad bit exhausted. Every time you find exhaustion, you can expect a minor pullback on the chart. But more importantly, if I take you on over to the chart, check out the 200 simple moving average swinging in right above price action right now and currently getting rejected off of there. If there's any region where I will be expecting a minor pullback on the chart, it's right here. There's a lot of synergy with our objective indicators, right? Volatility at those high red numbers, 200 simple moving average as resistance, we could be expecting a pullback right here. But now question is, what is the bid opportunity on the chart? Well, once again, guys, default onto the Mango dashboard. Under FET USDT, you're going to find this little chart symbol right here. Go ahead and click on it. As soon as you click on it, you're going to be taken to the chart. Now, I've gone ahead and drawn out the neckline of that beautiful, beautiful cup and handle like formation. For those of you who do not spot it, this is it. This is the cup. This right here is the handle. This right here is the break. Now, if you go ahead and turn on your FVGs, those often give you some really, really good bid opportunities. Now, we have one FVG coming in right here at around $1.44, and the second one coming in right here at around $1.27. Now, I quite like the $1.44 region primarily because it's not just the FVG, guys. It is also the neckline of that beautiful cup and handle like formation. And in addition to that, guys, if you go ahead and just toggle on your 21 and 55 exponential moving averages, you'll find that the 21 exponential moving average is also swinging in right there. So there's a lot of confluence on this entire bid zone, okay? For those of you who want the actual numbers on the FEG, go ahead and take note of them. It comes in from around $1.44 going all the way down to $1.37. It's a really, really nifty tool that you can just switch on and off on the Mango dashboard, but use this for your bid opportunities as well. You'll find this on app.mangoresearch.co, so go ahead and check it out. So now with this, you have the bid opportunities on FET. You got the bullish pattern plays that I'm seeing on the chart. In addition to that, you got these two beautiful bullish targets that we're gunning for. $2.38 going all the way up to $3.18. But this is a very, very beautiful chart, 50% already this month, and I think we have more to go. Now, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will be covering more altcoins now moving forward, so if you have any requests whatsoever, take this time to get into the comment section and tell me which altcoin you want me to cover, because honestly, I think we're heading into alt season. Now with this, trade safely, trade stress-free, trade the Mango way, trade the easy way. Ciao, you guys.